What are you doing in the bushes? Are you gonna come out of the bushes? Whoops! You alright? Good boy. Acorns! Bye, acorns! Good job. Yeah? Dig, 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 dig. Yeah? Careful. Good boy. Good boy. You're silly. Oops. Good recovery, friend. Is that what happens when you unexpectedly find flowers? It's so exciting. It's January and there's flowers, Mama. Oh good, we didn't stop for the dirt today. Careful, friend. There you go. Where are you going? Where are you going? No. No, friend. Keep going. There you go. Good boy. And Victor's not going to stop to touch the boards today. Careful. Oh! Oh no, are you okay? Are you alright? You bonked your nose. You seem okay though. Back up. There you go. Oh. Oh, I know, it's very bright this direction. Oh, careful. Doop! Is it because Mommy's in there? You can do it. What are you doing? There you go. Singing bubbles. Yeah? It's not for you. Be a good boy, okay? They're fixing it so Victor can come back. Yeah. Where are you going? Good job. Good job. Where are you going? You can't decide? Back this way now? Look at your shadow. You're like a little titan. Half meter class titan on the move. Yeah. Let's do Jude Cam. Over the shoulder. What'd you find, friend? No, come on. Come on, get up. Oh no, it's not in the mud. Thank you, Poos. You're so dainty about the mud, friend. Yeah. Cool. You touched the pole. And get back up. Get back up, let's go. Oh. Careful. Jeez. Jeez, friend. Jeez, Louise. Okay, there's a step here, so you have to stop recording or your face plant.